So today my topic is heart sound. My dear students, in my previous classes I have discussed about what is a heart external features and what is a cardiac cycle, and continuous part is called as cardiac sounds, heart sounds. So here, if you seen my last video, that is nothing but cardiac cycle, you can understand so what is the meaning of cardiac cycle. There itself you will understand the what is how the cardiac sounds will be happen. So here I want to tell, so heart sounds mostly, as we know that the two kinds of the sounds are there, lub, dub. Lub is a resembled as a lub, so S1 and S2. So S2 is a resembled lub, S2 is resembled as a dub. But the thing is, you have to understand, not only have two kinds of S1, S2, but also S3, S4 also we have. Let me explain. So if someone is asking what are the heart sounds, we just tell there are the four kinds of the heart sound: S1, S2, S3, S4. So I can explain here. So S1 is resemble as a lub, S2 is resemble as a dub. So here I want to tell, so before going to in depth of the heart sound, let me tell. So here, my dear students, if the two hands is going to close together, some sort of the sound will come. Here the two objects, when it is going to close, when the two objects when it is going to approach, the little bit the sound will generate. The same thing, my dear student, I want to tell here. So how the S1 sound will come, how the S1 love sound will arise. As you know that if you follow my the first video of external features of the heart, there is a walls are there. As I said, there is the four walls are there. There is a tricuspid wall, there is a mitral wall, and there is a aortic wall, and there is a pulmonary wall. Let me tell, the first one is when sudden closure of the first heart sound will generate, the sudden closure of both the tricuspid and mitral wall. When suddenly the both walls is going to close, the both mitral wall as well as tricuspid wall, little short of sound will get, that will be called as S1, resembled as lub. Got it, my dear students? And second one is S2. The S2, the sound will be arise the from the both the sudden closure of aortic wall as well as pulmonary wall. When the aortic wall and pulmonary wall is going to suddenly closure, in that case the sound will be arise, that is nothing but resemble as a dub. I hope the lub, dub, S1, S2, the sounds you understood how it is going to happen. So you can see in the diagram, so when it is going to sudden closure of both tricuspid and mitral wall, so one sound lub will happen. When the both aortic and pulmonary walls is going to close, then dub will come. So this is one of the diagrammatic presentation I have shown you. And next one, you can see in the theoretically, the first sound will be arise the lub, and this is the things I have explained. The lub we can call as the first heart sound, and the second heart sound we can call as a dub. So there is a lub, dub will be happen, sudden closure of the tricuspid and mitral walls. And third heart sound, fourth heart sound, you must understand how it is going to happen. Let me tell. So you can come for the diagram once. One second. Yeah, so you can see here, so when the amount of the blood from the both atriums, so please listen here carefully, when the amount of the blood is goes from both atriums suddenly from for the both ventricles, so it the both ventricles of the muscles is going to little bit vibrate. As we know that this is one of the object, when is I am going to throw like this, so this is a muscle is little bit vibrate, no? So that will be, we can call as third heart sound, S3. Murmuring sound we can call. So by listen we can't hear, means, so if someone, if you want to listen the heart sound externally, lub, dub, these two resembled sound we can listen. Whereas I am telling here now S3, S4, those two heart sound we can't listen externally. For that we need some other kind of the tools. So that is the thing. So third heart sound will arise, so vibration of the both ventricles. So when the both atriums is going to flush down the blood, then both ventricles muscles will be vibrate. Then little bit the murmur sounds will be arise, that will be called as resembled as a third heart sound. And fourth heart sound, that is resembled S4. So the fourth heart sound will be arise, so vibration of both atriums. So as I said, the third heart sound will be arise when the vibrating of the both ventricles. The fourth heart sound will be happen the vibrating of the both atriums. How the both atriums will be happening of the vibration? So the superior vena cava, the blood will be reach here. So then the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, the flush out the blood in the atrium, right atrium, the left atrium, the blood will be received from the pulmonary veins. Then this muscle will be vibrate. In such a case, a little murmur sound will be arise, that will be resembled as a S4. My dear students, S3 here it is going to generate, S4 here it is going to generate. So this is the four heart sounds we can able to find within the heart. So and next one is, as I said, so here the heart sound we can listen by using of this tool that is called as stethoscope. So everyone used to listen, so whether it is a cardiac function is the normal or abnormal, so by using this tool only we can use. And one more thing, where, how, which part, which location, the pinpoint location for the auscultation area, so this is exact location. So where the apex, so where the mitral valve, where the valves are there, if you are going to place over there, you can understand. So whether the murmuring sound, how it is, if it is normal is okay, so the doctor or nurse can able to find out the depending on the sound pitch. The pitch is good, okay, the pitch is going to somewhat vibrating little bit, there is somewhat mitral valve stenosis, we can significant clinical significant disease condition will be there, so that we will discuss later. But this is exact location how to hear the sounds of the heart sound. So this is a thing for the today topic. So that is a topic conclusion is, so I have explained about the cardiac sound. As we know that there is a 4 cardiac sounds are there. First cardiac sound, second cardiac sound, third and fourth. The first and second will be resembled as a love bundle, and third and fourth will be coming like murmurs and vibrations because of muscle. So that will be called as third and fourth heart sound. So my dear students, I hope today's session you understood. So please listen this class and share to your friends and your neighbors. By that our video will be get knowledgeable. So thank you so much my dear students. I will come for next class with a new topic. Until that, stay tuned. Thank you so much.